We're talking snow, but here's the thing. As we get closer and closer, 1 degree can make a huge difference when we're talking about if it's snow that's falling, if it's sleet that's falling, if it's freezing rain. So I do want to show you something because there's something called a transition zone where in Texas, this is a future, pretty much a future snapshot of what Thursday morning could look like. And this is showing you this, which is snow. But it's also showing you the pink, which could be a mix, and that could be sleet into rain. And then as you get closer to central Texas, you see purely rain. So this is what I mean when I'm talking about just 1 degree makes a difference. So we always look at temperatures anywhere from the base of the cloud all the way to the surface or the ground. So when that precip lives in the cloud, it's actually frozen. Think about how cold temperatures are up there. Now, as this falls, if the temperature is 32 degrees or lower throughout the entire journey of one droplet of ice, then it's going to be purely snow. However, if there is a small portion of this column of air that happens to be above 32 degrees, this frozen precip is going to melt. Then you get rain, and then it gets a pretty good long journey of freezing temperatures. That's sleet. This tends to bounce off of the ground, which isn't the worst case scenario. A bit of a worst case scenario is if we get a big column of air that happens to be 32 or higher, then this more likely freezes on contact, and that's where we get the slick conditions. Fortunately, that's not going to be a big case scenario for us, but there is that transition zone just to the south of us that we're paying close attention to, Kara.
Yeah, this is relief to an extent. Okay, thank you so much, Marielle. So make sure you download our streaming app. So WFAA Plus, we want to make sure that you're weather aware this week. We're going to let you know the latest forecast before you head out the door. WFAA Plus is free on your Roku, Apple TV, or Amazon Fire.